Hi guys, welcome to Tech Y2K. I am going to show you how to make a bootable USB stick with original Windows 10 OS. I am going to do this with Media Creation tool. For this task, you need a computer with internet connection and a blank USB stick because any content on it will be deleted. This USB stick should have 8 GB or higher space. Internet service provider fees may apply for the download. First, you have to go to this URL. From this URL, you can download ISO file, but at this time we are going to directly download Windows 10 to a USB flash stick. Now you can click on the Download Tool Now button. Now we have to provide location for a save this Media Creation tool file. I'm going to save it in my downloads. Now download is completed. Now I am going to open this folder. Now you can see this is a Media Creation tool installation file. This is a downloaded file. Now I have connected my USB pen drive to the PC. You can see my drive letter is F. Now I am going again to download folder, and this is a downloaded file. Now I am going to run this one. Okay, now you have to accept the Microsoft software license terms. Click on the accept button. Okay, now you have to select two options. First is upgrade this PC and create installation media USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. In this scenario, we are going to select create installation media USB flash drive. Okay, I'm now selected it. Now I have to click on the next button. Okay, in this area you can see use the recommended option for this PC. If you tick this one, that time all files are copied to your pen drive with recommended option for your PC. You are currently used for download the ISO file, and in my scenario I am going to use this pen drive for several PCs. It's the reason why I am going to untick this one. Okay, now you can see there's a language. My language is English. I am going to select English, and edition Windows 10, and architecture. This is a bit architecture. In the Windows 10 we can see two type of bit architectures, like 32-bit and 64-bit. If you want to use this for both one, you can select both, and my scenario I am going to use both one. It's the reason why I selected both. Now I am going to click next. Okay, now you have to choose which media to use. In my scenario I am going to use pen drive, USB flash drive. I'm going to select this one, USB flash drive. Then I'm going to click next. Okay, in this area you can select what is the drive letter related to your USB flash drive. In my flash drive, my drive letter is F. You can see now it's automatically selected F drive, and I'm going to select it. Then I have to click next. Bootable Windows 10 USB stick is ready. Now you can go to the USB stick and verify files are copied. These are the files you can see inside the USB stick. Now you can use this USB stick for install Windows 10 as a bootable USB. In the next video I will show you how to install Windows 10 using USB flash drive. I hope this is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.